Welcome back to another video. In this video, as you see, we are standing in front of our extension tower and we're finally gonna finish up with the siding. We have that part to do. We still have very top to do, but that's gonna be after. First, we want to do the biggest part, which is the little corners there that connect to the roof. So we're gonna close both of those today. So let's not waste much time and get started, since the daylight is really short today. This is gonna be safest ladder ever. So, anyway. Ready, Baba?
I guess.
How low it goes?
I was holding it so much higher.
So as you can see, one side is done. Now we're just gonna get on the other side. It's going pretty quick, pretty fast, but the daylight is really short. On these days, it's getting really close to winter solstice. So it sunsets at 4 o'clock, so we only have like a few hours to work. But let's get on with the other side and see if we can get it done before the sun is down. Well, I haven't seen the sun in quite a while. Don't remember how it looks.
It was a bit of sunshine today.
I saw a bit of a glimpse of blinded me.
Now it left again. It's kind of fog raining again.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, I love it.
We did it one side though.
That's the way. I love it.
Which is a progress. So it has started fog raining. So this really mist rain, and yeah, it's pretty much we're like inside of a cloud. It's all fog around us, and it doesn't look like we can continue for now. We'll see if it stops and if we can continue.
Yeah, but we only have like 2 hours of daylight, so if it
Yeah.
does not stop now,
Yeah.
and that's what has been keeping us away, is the weather. We can't stop the weather.
Exactly, this weather's been like almost
Yeah.
a week or two.
It said cloudy with like not too cold, so I was like,
Yeah.
perfect.
Good
We're
weather,
gonna get
yeah.
a lot of it done.
But the cloud is on the floor. So
I
we
didn't.
are in
I
the
didn't
cloud.
read the tiny part that says low cloud.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
gotta
kind
go
of sad, I
inside.
guess. Gonna work something inside. We have many things to do, so. Is it sprinkling again? Wait. Get this thing out.
We gotta go move the ladder. Sticker. This the biggest?
Mhm.
You're starting from the back, right?
Yeah. Do you have to listen to me or not?
No, I don't know.
Can you admit it?
I don't know what you mean.
So we had a debate.
No, I
got
just miscalculated. something.
miscalculated nothing. We just did the whole angles of 4 woods wrong.
I don't know what you mean wrong.
Wrong, maybe the other way around.
Calculated.
Mhm.
Geometry.
Yeah. And you wanted to cut all 20 woods. And I was like screaming at you saying, let's put those up.
Okay.
Always listen to your wifey.
It's just extra firewood.
So can you imagine doing that with 20 wood instead of 4? You're laughing now, but not if it would get dark. What do you...
Let's cut them all in one go.
Is that actually your plan?
Yeah, if you could hold them. I have a good wife.
Okay, let's go put those up.
Do you want to cut another one?
No, let's go put those up. Double check. We usually cut one and check. We actually are gonna do it.
We're fast.
If the weather's gonna let us and then we're gonna work in such a speed mode. I mean, if we wanna get anything done, we work really fast.
Yeah.
Oh.
So as you can see, we are done. Looks absolutely gorgeous, and it's closer to getting done. I think the only part that we have is the very top and the top of the front, and we are fully finished with the siding, more or less. Of course, there's a lot more needed to be done to seal the siding, but I'm not sure if we're going to make everything this year. We definitely want to cover up the windows and put little window edges as well, window sills or something they're called, these little metals in front of the windows to stop the water, make the water run down the windows, and then not go behind the siding. But that's pretty much it for this video. We barely made it in the daylight, and even though it's pretty early in the day, it's kind of it for the work. So hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Hopefully weather lets us and we can finish the top
Finish
and
it
then
quickly, yeah.
stain it and be done with it.